Hey, it's me, your warehouse. Did you know that I can optimize myself if you let me?
Isn't that really practical? A storage system that takes care of itself?
How smart and efficient storage system software really is shown by its transparency of the information and material flows within a company. Therefore, we have implemented numerous interfaces with woodStore, both to a wide variety of ERP systems and cutting plan optimization, an unlimited number of possible user interfaces. The so-called multi-terminal interface ensures even more transparency in operation. Authorized users can simultaneously control the storage system, whether in the work preparation office, at the storage system itself, or at one of the processing machines, and have access to the complete storage system interface.
Another important basis is the organization and structuring of your storage system. You can easily define the storage system organization yourself through individual assignment and division of sheets, storage locations and groups, and also change them independently. The storage area can now be used up to 100% as a restacking area. In addition, useful machine pools can be formed in the storage system with several machines, so saws and nesting machines can work together on one production list. With the patented IntelliStore, your storage system virtually optimizes itself. If your material usage changes over time, woodStore will react fully automatically.
If you need higher performance or more storage space, woodStore has several innovations to offer, such as with 2 connected storage systems implemented in 2 conversion steps, a much simpler coupling, a master data and production list comparison, as well as direct material exchange is now possible.
Safe sheet handling with our suction traverse is the prerequisite for high performance. And this one even learns during production all the time. Rush jobs can be inserted flexibly without interrupting production. Thank you, Karl-Heinz.
In addition, there is now the possibility to rotate the view of the storage system so that each operator always has the right view of the storage system at different points.
I wish you a lot of fun and success with your smart area storage system and woodStore 8.